Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I hope and pray that you are all doing good. Today I'm going to make my pot roasted chicken, so let's just begin. In a plate you will mix melted butter, you will also put all the seasonings with the butter. I used chili powder, paprika, parsley, oregano, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. So the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box down below. I also added onion, a whole onion, and garlic. I will now mix everything together to make sure that it creates like a paste type like seasoning. Then I will get my chicken ready and start seasoning it. So now I have my chicken that is thawed and cleaned. So I will now start seasoning it. I will now take the mixture that I made and start rubbing it on the chicken. I will now make sure that all the parts of the chicken are well seasoned because I want a very tasty chicken. So I'm going to keep rubbing it. Once I've made sure that the seasoning is all over the chicken, I'll now turn it around and I will start taking the mixture and start putting it under the chicken skin. The reason why I put it under the chicken skin is because it will give me a very flavorful and tasty chicken. So if you want your chicken to taste really good, it's better to put the seasoning underneath the skin instead of only on the top of the skin. That's one of my secrets, so that's how we like it. And I hope you try it too. It's very good, and I will keep rubbing it to make sure that the seasoning is well distributed underneath the chicken skin. So you can see how I'm doing it to make sure that it's everywhere. So I'm trying to spread it. Then I will get my pot roast ready. In my pot roast, I have placed 4 onion slices and I will put the chicken on top of it. And the reason why I put the onion slices underneath the chicken is because I want the heat to be well distributed while the chicken is baking and to give it a very nice flavor too. So now I will put a skewer to tie the chicken's legs to keep it moist inside while it's cooking. I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I will cook my chicken for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour, you can see I have also added some carrots already, and I will also add some potatoes later on and let it cook for 1 more hour. The reason why I put the potatoes later on is because I don't want it to be very soggy. So after 1 hour, once your chicken is out of the stove, you can serve it. It's very delicious and I hope you try it and let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of my videos, be sure to let me know by subscribing, hitting the like button and the bell of notification so you can get notified every time I post a new content. Thank you and enjoy.